Hey, what's up, guys? Alex here. Want to make your audio sound like it was recorded in a professional studio, even if it wasn't? Whether you're working with a Zoom call, a podcast, or your phone's mic, studio sound in Descript can make it clean like magic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use studio sound in Descript, how it works, and when not to use it. So let's get into it. So first off, what is Studio Sound? It's an AI-powered feature in Descript that enhances your voice by removing background noise and echo, and making it sound like you recorded it with a high-end mic, even if you didn't. It's perfect for podcasters, YouTubers, or anyone editing audio with, let's just say, less than perfect quality. Think of it as an auto-tuning, but for your voice quality. Alright, so here's how to use it. One is import your audio or video into Descript. Just drag and drop your file right into the project timeline. Second, click on the audio track, then go to the right-hand panel. You'll see an option called Studio Sound. Enable it. Third, Descript will process your audio in the background. Depending on the length, it might take a minute or two, but once it's done, you'll hear a massive difference. Listen to this clip before and after the studio sound. Here are 3 ethical considerations in VR development: privacy and data security, addiction and dependence, social impact, and digital divide. Here are 3 ethical considerations in VR development: privacy and data security, addiction and dependence, social impact, and digital divide. Big upgrade, right? Now, studio sound is powerful, but it's not perfect for every situation. It can be great for remote interviews, room echo, background noise like fans or traffic, and for low-end mics. But avoid it if you already recorded with a high-end quality mic, or your original audio has music or complex sound design. And if you're layering sound effects, it can make them sound flat or weird. So use it as a polisher, not a crutch. And pro tip, if studio sound feels a bit too aggressive, you can adjust the strength. Just click the gear icon next to the toggle and reduce the enhancement level. It gives you a more natural tone. I usually set it up to 85 to 90. It works best that way. Also, studio sound doesn't just make your voice clearer, it can actually save a bad recording. I've had hundreds of clips I was ready to toss, and this feature totally rescued them. So that's how you use studio sound in Descript. Clean, simple, and seriously powerful. If this helped you out, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more Descript tips, tutorials, and creator tools, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or follow, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Peace.